Well, folks, we apologize for the poor quality of the beginning of the video, and at the same time we also found out we misspelled Croup Manor, both on the sign and on the marquee, so we had to change that. So we're putting this ahead of the original video, but I don't feel like shooting the whole thing over again. Well, hello everybody, and welcome to the Commonwealth. This is Jessic Viking, bringing you another segment of Bar Harbor. We're at the Croup Manor right now. It's being rebuilt, being advertised by Jessic Realty. As Croup Manor is 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, partly furnished for 200 caps a month, and it's owned by Jewelsmith Homes Incorporated. Now, she's been doing a lot of work on this because of the extensive damage that was involved. She's added a marquee in front, along with a nice grand entrance. Up here is their construction shed. We're still working on it. And right there, as you can see, is a dead ghoul. It keeps resurfacing, so what I did, I added some concrete to cover it up as much as I could, but we ran out of the build meter bar, and it got to the point where we just ignored it altogether. And of course, it's got all the usual construction signs on the front. Here is the construction trailer with all the business atmosphere. It's also powered by switch to turn it off at night. And today is a special showing for you, Jewelsmith. Here a while back, I think it was Friday, you did during your Fallout Friday, you wished that they had Christmas lights. Well, good lady, your wish came true. Here we're going to show you some of it. There's some of it, the lighted wreaths, Christmas packages. Here's the fireplaces I was telling you about. There's 2 different kind of fireplaces like this, and there's also one that is like what you see in Sanctuary. Nutcracker. We knocked the blast radius. There's the lights that you were wanting. Lighted wreaths, plate full of candles. Oh, and here's a gingerbread house. And there's another one. And of course, we added a couple more of the packages. This is the dining room. And here's the kitchen with the coffee station, refrigerator, cook stove. And here's the upstairs. This is a bathroom, but it's out of order right now. And here is a kind of a half glass room divider. There's the kind of fireplace like you see in Sanctuary. And because it's kind of drafty up there, we got one in the dining room, we got one up here. Keep the upstairs warm. And there's the 2 baths. Here's one for this bedroom. And I wanted to figure out how to add some more lights here because, like I said, I ran out of the build meter. And here is the other bath. toilet and tub. And as I said before, there is so much more to the Christmas package up here. This is only a short segment of it. There's the other fireplace. And almost forgot. And there's also lighted stars that can hang from the ceiling. And there's another half room divider. I got that from the warehouse. And then of course here's the Nor furnishings, the lights, which I love, the Art Deco. So that's about it, folks. This is a real fun thing to put together. And I'm glad it's nighttime so I can show you. Here it is. The Jewelsmith Homes Incorporated. Yeah, Jewel, you made the big time, lady. So until next time, this is Michael from Jesse Viking wishing you a good week. Bye now.